This is the King Maps LS Custom Small MLO. The opening location zoom moves toward a compact automotive workshop. Inside, the tour covers service bays, vehicle lifts, tools, work areas, and storage. Office and staff sections complete the property without making the layout feel oversized. It is a practical space for repair and customization roleplay. The closing King Maps screen identifies the featured workshop.